Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to set up a microphone in OBS Studio. Whether you are using your laptop's built-in microphone or an external microphone, you can connect it in just a few steps. So let's get started. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Now click on Settings in the bottom right corner. From the left side, select Audio. Under Mic and Auxiliary Audio, click on the drop-down menu. Now select the microphone that you want to use. This can be your built-in microphone or an external USB microphone. Once selected, click Apply and then OK. Now look at the audio mixer section. Speak into your microphone. If the green audio meter is moving, your microphone has been set up successfully. If the volume is too low or too high, you can adjust it by moving the microphone volume slider in the audio mixer. Your microphone is now ready and its audio will be recorded whenever you start recording or streaming in OBS Studio. So this is how you can set up a microphone in OBS Studio. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.